Selamat pagi dari Hamilton Island. Ini kita hari ke-6 di sini dan masih hujan setelah kemarin seharian hujan. Hari ini pun hujan lagi. Dan ini kita di service center dan di sini tuh ada swimming pool. Kemarin kita udah berenang di sana. Dan ini kita mau beli kopi pagi-pagi. Dan ini udah buka coffee shopnya dan suami aku udah di depan sana beli kopi. Suami aku beli, ini gede banget, bar cafe. Berhubung hujan, kita main pingpong di sini. Where is mine? Oke. Ini harusnya kami sales dari kemarin ditunda ke hari ini, dari hari ini di cancel karena besok kami pulang. Karena cuacanya lihat tuh guys, hujan terus. Jadi terpaksa di cancel boatingnya, padahal kita mau mancing di laut, nggak jadi. Karena hujan kita main ini arcade dan ini kita bayar 200.000. Mesinnya 25.000 sekali main. Dan ini ada capit. Ini juga capit Star Wars. Which one do you want? This you like Jurassic?
Yeah. Let's do it.
Ini game kesukaan suami aku, Guardians of Galaxy.
I paid, no?
Yeah.
So why does it work?
You not yet?
Oh, it's dark.
Look at what you have done. You have always been unique. You stupid, traitorous.
Oh, scheiße.
Oh no. Sayang. Oh no.
Please.
How many times? Oh itu. Still have war.
Sister, help us fight Ronan. Ronan is mad.
Wow. Total 4,000. Game over. Dikasih 2 kali main. This better than in time zone. this? Your ball stuck. Come over, sayang.
I don't know what's going on.
Door is lit.
Where is the ball? Mission selection. Let's ini kita mainnya berdua. Ini kita selesai main arcade game dan kita ke beach. Dan nggak hujan, tapi masih mendung. Jadi dari sini, dari swimming pool bisa ke pantai.
Oh, we have the speedboat in 10:45.
Ya,
Yeah, so we should go back to the hotel and get a swimsuit.
oke. Hello, bud. Cat's Eye Beach. This is the beach name, Cat's Eye. How to open? Just put up and
Yeah, very.
okay. Dan ini dia pantainya Cat's Eye. We do sail here, sayang.
Sorry,
We do sail here.
what?
Sail in this beach.
I don't know what you're asking.
Sailing boat. You do here?
I did, I don't know.
Ini bisa jalan sampai ke sana. Dan masih berkabut. Burungnya tidur. Jadi karena ini kemarin hujan dan pantainya jadi kotor gitu, terbawa sampah. Bahkan ada sampah minuman itu. Oh, itu dia ngebersihin traktornya itu. Jadi nanti kita mau main kayak ini, terus boating, nggak tahu deh. Yang penting kita main air di sana, walaupun mendung-mendung.
They're gonna discover on my seat. You see this?
This first time I see lorry cat, very friendly.
They are very well. That's one way how to put it.
They eat bread. You don't eat bread. You eat fruit and
Okay, well,
what?
this is the problem with the cameras here.
They got foggy, I know. That's funny. Yeah, I'm gonna go get one of those danises.
The budgie is the box. It's not a budgie, it's a barricade.
Oh, she's pretty aggressive.
The barricade is the box.
Oh,
to do
this is funny. Wait, Sank, I will move there because better angle.
Yeah.
Now there are two buses. Oh, that will be interesting.
This couple, that's why they're not fighting.
They are
so
couple,
sad.
always fighting.
Yeah, they were together. Oh, that is just get lost.
The raven not work. Oh God. Now they enjoy the bread. Yeah, small bird.
Crows, isn't it? There's 4 of them.
They're just waiting there. Yeah,
There is a strength in numbers.
Oh.
There's no strength in numbers. There's 4 crows.
Oh, be careful. They fall. Sayang, they make sound. Ini kita mau melakukan water sport, kayak atau apa. Suami aku mau bayar. Nanti kita naik itu kayak dan kita pilih sendiri ini. Dan sekarang kita naruh barang dulu di sana.